In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zoom with HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening your HubSpot account and heading to the app marketplace. Search for the Zoom app that's published by HubSpot and select it. The installation process is straightforward. Click Install and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to sign into your Zoom account and grant the necessary permissions for the app to connect with HubSpot. Granting those permissions is what allows meeting information, attendee details, and other Zoom data to flow into your HubSpot environment. Once you complete the sign-in and approval steps, Zoom will be listed under Connected Apps in your HubSpot account. That confirms the basic connection is active. Take a moment to verify that connection status in HubSpot so you're sure the integration was successful before moving on to configuration. Next, go to HubSpot's integration settings to fine-tune how the two systems work together. In the integration settings, you can link an individual Zoom user account. If you're integrating your personal Zoom room or a single user's meetings, make sure you select the correct Zoom user when prompted. For account-wide use, you'll want to configure broader settings that affect every user. Keep in mind that account-wide configuration may require administrator privileges in Zoom. So if you don't see certain options, check your Zoom account role or ask your Zoom admin for help. In these settings, you'll also set data sync preferences. Decide what Zoom meeting data should be recorded in HubSpot, such as attendee lists, meeting duration, and meeting recordings. You can typically map which events or activities in HubSpot correspond to Zoom meetings, so choose the options that align with your sales and support workflows. If you need meeting recordings or registrant information to be attached to contact records, enable those specific syncs. A few practical tips. Check the permissions requested during installation so you understand what the integration can access. And test the integration by scheduling a quick meeting to ensure data appears as expected in HubSpot. If you manage multiple users, document any account-wide choices so teammates know how data will be handled. If something goes wrong, disconnecting and reinstalling the app often resolves common issues. That covers the complete integration flow. Install the Zoom by HubSpot app, sign in and grant permissions, confirm it's listed under Connected Apps, and then link user accounts and configure account-wide data sync preferences in HubSpot's integration settings. Follow these steps and you'll have Zoom and HubSpot working together smoothly.